Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, cooking with Richard. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I've been in the kitchen. And I want to thank my sister-in-law Deb and her husband Steve for sending me today's recipe. And I also want to thank my daughter Kim for making this wonderful new apron for me. Yeah, it's got the What's Up with Richard logo on it. It's got a nice little chef guy. And yeah, I know. Enough of the chit-chat. Let's make some taco pie. And of course, we're going to need some ingredients. Here we have an 8-ounce package of refrigerated crescent rolls. Wow, you remember the last time I used crescent rolls, the issues I had? We'll see if these are a little better. 1 pound of ground beef. We've got 1 package of taco seasoning mix here. We've got 8 ounces of Mexican style cheese blend. And we have some black olives and some scallions. So those are some of the ingredients we use. We'll add the rest later when we finish with the pie. That didn't sound very good, did it?
No, it's fine.
Huh?
It's fine.
Okay. I'll leave it in there.